What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video comes from African Mall Hair. This is my second time working with them, and this time they sent me a Jerry Curl Wig. Now I know it doesn't look like that right now because I already brushed it out. I had to tweeze and all that other stuff, but this is it, and I'm gonna wet it back down so y'all can see the curl pattern and everything. It kept the curl pattern, so I did color their hair. The hair takes beautifully to color. So I did color their hair. I wanted some type of little caramel-ish something going on. I just needed some color. It's about to be fall, so here it is. I'm gonna throw this wig on so y'all can see what it looks like. So now I did go ahead and tweeze the hairline. The hairline, okay, on this wig is really pretty. Really soft. Everything takes good to color. All of that. What y'all think about this color, y'all? I think I did a bomb job on it. I'm really liking this color. That's up and through here. Something nice for the fall. Let's get it cooler here in Georgia. So I was ready for some color, but this wig, guys, is 13 by 4 frontal. I think, well, the hair that I got from them the first time, their frontal and bundles are really nice. I really still like that wig that I made with their hair last time. Now this one, I wasn't too sure because the parting space is really small. So it's supposed to be 13 by 4, but as y'all can see, let me see if I can. It's kind of small. It's kind of a short part. It's kind of a, let me see if I have to pull it down. It's kind of a short part because it should be, kind of right here, but it's here and the sides don't go too far back, so you can't really do a side part either because they stop up here. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna style this hair. I'm gonna see. I may do a ponytail or something like that, but that's gonna be part 2. But we're gonna go ahead and install this wig, and I'm gonna let y'all watch, and then I'll come back at the end. Okay guys, so this is it installed. Stay tuned for part 2 to see the styling of this wig. Let's see what we're gonna do. What do y'all think? Should I cut it or leave it long? Oh no. Would it be pretty in a bob? Good night. It might be cute in a bob. Okay, well stay tuned to part 2.